This is the all-terrain wheelchair for Melody Kettle. Here is a side view of it. This is how it looks from the front. And this is a back view. The wheelchair is composed of several key features. It has a lightweight 3-wheel design. The rear wheels are composed of bike tires. They have a quick pin release to allow them to be detachable. This is the front wheel assembly. It is composed of an aluminum T-frame, which is mounted to the wheelchair frame with a bolt and a quick release pin that when detached allows for the front wheel frame to fold up for storage. The front wheel itself consists of a bike tire attached to a fork with a turn bearing in the cylinder head. The fork is cambered to allow for simple turning of the wheel and 360-degree rotation. The brake system is composed of disc brakes. The brake system is composed of disc brakes. It is a bike hub drum assembly and is attached through cables to brake lever handlebars on the back of the wheelchair. To activate the brake, simply grasp the handle and squeeze the bar to engage the disc brake, and the wheel will stop in place. An added component was a shock assembly. These house the air rock shocks as seen below. These provide adequate support over rough terrain to prevent minimal movement for Melody since she has a spinal rod in her back. These can be adjusted with an air pump. They also attach to the rear wheels through the axial hub assembly as seen below with a bolt and a quick pin socket release sleeve. On the bottom, rollerblade wheels were incorporated in order that when the rear wheels were removed, they could allow still for transportation. Connecting the two shock assemblies is a rear axle. This provides extra support and stability over rough terrain. This is the back view of the chair. In order to activate the reclining mechanism, the brake levers on the handles need to be activated. Simply grasp the handle and squeeze in order to adjust the reclining mechanism to a certain angle, as seen below. The other brake incorporated was an emergency parking brake. To activate, the handle is simply lowered and pressed downwards so that the rear wheels will lock in position. Added features were storage for Melody's medical equipment. Melody has a go bag with a suction canister machine that she needs with her at all times. In order to accommodate it, we mounted a basket to the wheelchair frame as seen below with brackets. The second component was an oxygen cylinder holder. It is mounted to the underside of the wheelchair frame. To move the mount, simply turn the knobs in either direction and it will slide back and forth until the desirable position is reached. To mount the cylinder, grasp these left-hand knobs and turn them until they are wide enough to accommodate the tank, and then turn them again in order to grasp hold of the tank and hold the oxygen cylinder in place while the chair is moving over rough terrain. There is enough clearance, as seen below, for the oxygen cylinder to clear over rough ground. This is the front of the chair. The leg rests are placed in the correct position that is customized to Melody's body. The armrests are also adjusted to the height of Melody's arms as seen here. Safety straps were incorporated in order to push Melody into her position. On the actual seat frame are quick release pins seen here. These allow for Melody's custom seat to be attached and detached easily from the chair. This is the entire assembly of the all-terrain wheelchair.